Hi, and welcome to another episode, another edition, another session, maybe, of, talking to each other, understanding our lives. And this one's on, of course, Talk Right today. And this time we're going to talk completely away and differently. And it's about out of the box thinking. I mean, it's very easy to say, oh, out of the box thinking, and you think beyond what you're doing. But let's get into the now and understand what exactly you and me, or even Mayur is joining us. We're going to decide and discuss what exactly does it mean. So over to you, Mayur. Maybe you can give them an idea of what it means.
Sure, sure. So welcome Santosh and namaskar and welcome to all our viewers. I'd like to, this topic again is exciting, right? Because it's different. Um, I remember a statement which, was very thought provoking, and it said, and this was in the context of creativity, and it said that creativity is the art of breaking rules with responsibility. So it's the art of breaking rules, but with responsibility.
Yeah.
And it's really beautifully pregnant with a lot of meaning. So there is this aspect of breaking rules. There's an art aspect. And there is also this sense of responsibility that we have to take when we break the rules, which means you got to defy the norms,
Yeah.
but also should have the willingness and the strength to take responsibility. Because a lot of times when you do something creative, the possibilities of failing are pretty high, right? So they say Thomas Edison tried a lot of times, more than 100 times to get the electricity bulb working. He failed 97 or 98 times, and the 99th time he succeeded. And he said, I learned the 98 ways of how not to do something.
True.
So it's your attitude of how you look at it. Like somebody said to me, and they're very creatively looking at the half glass. So somebody said, why are you looking at even the half glass as half full and not half empty? Look at the half glass. No, look at the full glass, half with water and half with air. So it's how you look at it. And I want to sort of add another aspect to what I feel about creativity through a poem that is in front of me. It has been penned by yours truly, but allow me to please present this poem. It's titled as simple as Creativity. It goes like this. The zest to build something new, an ability to make more from a few, an urge to arise from the old. Your ideas, it makes you unfold. As a vibrant fire in us, it keeps burning. With it, unique insights, we keep learning. A brilliant source of inspiration to those who yearn to grow. Creativity, it gives us supreme direction like an arrow to the bow. For creativity to blossom, intensely introspect you must. Amongst the multitude of thoughts, even the silly ones, you must trust. Problems may be the same, yet answers to them you must find. I'll say it again, there's a word I missed. Problems may be the same, yet different answers to them you must find. The ability to create a supreme force that lies in your mind. Inventions and discoveries like wings for you to fly. Creativity, not just a feeling, but an inner drive. Newer paths to climb the mountains so high. A passion to create in us the gift that must never die. Creativity, never can it be bought. With new ideas, seldom shall you be caught. Search for the strategies will help you to successfully lead. Let creativity blossom like a rose from a seed. So this
Beautiful.
is a small little poem. Thank
Beautiful.
you very much. Thank you.
Yes.
So I thought, why not create a poem on creativity?
Exactly.
And, I have to say that one of the ways I get inspired by towards becoming creative is through examples, real life examples, because they inspire us.
Yeah.
कि यार कैसे किया यार ऐसे कैसे I mean unbelievable. And then you say, why not me? Why can't I try? So this is the best way to be creative is to be creative. I know
True.
it's a little paradoxical. What it means is try to do something that is small, little, cute,
Yeah.
funny, but that's creative. Don't go for big ideas suddenly,
Yeah.
because the fear of failing will stop you from trying again.
Yeah.
You know,
Exactly.
so I remember this, and I'll conclude on that from my side. I remember this example that came to me in a form of a story in a book, and I'll make it very concise. There is this particular soap factory, okay, and they have this conveyor belt on which the manufacturing happens, and that conveyor belt is supposed to carry the soap box with the soap inside. It goes like that, okay. There were some problems that came where customers said that we got soap boxes without the soap inside it.
Mm-hmm.
So something was happening, and say out of 100, there was 75, 80 which were fine, but there were some which did not have the soap inside.
Yeah.
So they kept somebody to check. So every time the guy would keep checking.
Yeah.
His hand started hurting. Yeah.
Yeah.
So they kept two people, but still the deficiencies, the defects were there because human error happens. So kitna was dhoondega?
Yeah.
How will he search? So then they were discussing about it in the conference room. All these big guys. So the person who was serving tea, Mama, Uncle Mama, he had been working for 35 years. So they all respected him. Mama, cha gyo na lo. I got the tea.
Yeah.
While he was doing that, he was listening to what they were discussing, which was primarily the fact that they were frustrated that how to resolve this problem of finding out which soap box is empty,
yeah,
and which has the soap. So when he heard all that, this Mama said, "Sir, ek chota idea hai, bata do." "Arey batao, abhi hum to thak gaye yaar, aap hi batao." So he says, "Sir, एक simple बात है, मुझे लगता है पता नहीं साहब, हमारा जो स्टोर रूम में वो बड़ा फैन है ना, फैन, वो कन्वेयर के पास रख दीजिए ना साहब, वो चलता भी है, अभी तो साहब सब एसी हो गया, कोई यूज नहीं करता है, वो क्या होगा ना साहब, वो आप रखोगे और हवा डाल दोगे तो जो हल्का है ना, हल्का वो हिलेगा, और जो जिसमें सोप है वो जाएगा." तो एक आदमी को रोका साहब, वो जो हिलेगा ना उसको निकालो तो पता तो चलेगा. They were like, अच्छा, okay. So what it taught me, I hope it's a true story, but what it shows is you don't need to be a Harvard guy, man. You don't have to, there is no institute in India or anywhere in the world which teaches you how to be creative. Because every form of existence has that creative aspect. Even a spider creates its own web and uses it creatively even as a trap.
Yeah.
And that's only a metaphor for me to be inspired that if a spider can, if Mama can, in that example, why not me? And I think that's where the birth happens of the attitude to say, chalo, try to karke dekhte yaar.
True. Essentially, right, when you talk of out of the box thinking, and I'm talking this again now from, the guys who are working professionals, and in organizations, and in any organization, essentially, I think there are two key elements one needs to be aware. One is, to get to that state of out of the box thinking, you got to be ready to make your hands dirty, work on the ground, get to know the situation, do it yourself. That's very important. And the second and more important is critical thinking. You got to understand the process of whatever you are into, whatever task and job you're doing, end to end. You got to know the outcome. You also got to know what's behind that issue. So that really as an element, makes the whole process of out of the box thinking very, very important. And that's how it works actually in present.
Actually, you're right. You're right. Because see, creative thinking is not some ego trip.
Yeah. Very nice.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You're like, hey, you know what? I'm good at ideas, but they should be working. They should be effective.
Yeah.
And for that, critical thinking, understanding if somebody says, I'm going to come up with a new idea, the question is, do you know the existing aspect?
Yeah. Do you know the issue on hand? Yeah.
The issue on hand, because your ideas have to be connected with the issue. So I know where you're coming from, that I just can't be pleasantly arrogant that I can think of ideas. Sometimes the advertising guys who would have that flair about them, they're creative, but they have also worked 12, 13, 18 hours a day to understand the issue as well.
Agree completely.
So they say that problem solving requires creative thinking, but problem solving comes when you know first what the problem is.
Exactly.
So I think that's a very practical point. I want to bring another aspect about fear, in terms of what could, sometimes people have an obstacle or they come across this barrier which stops them from thinking out of the box. I don't know if you come across people who get very nervous to even think out of the box. कभी कभी उनको यार छोड़ना यार, तू क्या सोच रहा है, सब ये सब अलग अलग जो है वो करना.
Hmm.
And I think that itself can become a sort of an obstacle and a barrier to
Yeah,
someone's progress towards becoming more creative. What do you think
true.
about that,
In fact,
Sadhguru?
Mayur, it's very important that, and again, it comes back to our education system, our, or, the way we have been conditioned as kids, and and then
Yeah,
as students, uh, we got to challenge the present. You got to ask the question why. Very
क्या
important. And
बात
I'm
है.
sure you have come across, right, in your sessions, when you
Yes.
end of the session, you ask, say, okay, guys, any questions? A lot of times, I'm sure, until you really push them, the questions don't come. So that's very important. You got to ask questions. Unfortunately,
Wonderful.
for whatever reasons, hierarchy or whatever reasons in offices and organizations, one doesn't ask questions. For all you know, it will be a very relevant question. But then that's where the
Santosh,
problem is. Yeah.
it's a brilliant point. I'm requesting all the viewers and myself. It's a very pertinent point.
Yeah.
Questioning something. I
Exactly.
believe every um, every creative inference that has come out in
Yeah.
every aspect of life is through questioning.
True.
If you just look at it, why not?
Correct.
Somebody says this is the way to the top of the temple on a hill. Everybody's following a particular route.
Yeah.
Why not try some other route?
So,
They say creativity is also about taking a shortcut without
hmm,
cutting short.
yeah. Yeah.
But it starts with the question, why
Yeah.
not?
Correct.
तो मैं हिंदी में बोलता हूँ. हाँ.
I'll give you a very,
Yeah.
I mean, a very live example of my own experience. Actually, I'm sure when it comes to I'm not trying to say that this is an out of the box thinking, but I'm just trying to kind of connect the whole point.
Mm-hmm.
Typically when we get off trains, and then the place where I am in Hong Kong, you get off the train and then you obviously rush towards the escalator. Okay, and then you have the entire bunch of passengers. So you crowd the whole escalator is crowded. And then there are these guys in office rush hours who want to reach on time. Believe
Mm-hmm.
me, there is a staircase, absolutely not a single soul there. And if you just reach out, go there, run a bit, okay? You're the first to reach actually. So that's what I'm trying to say. There is a way out. You got to only think about
Exactly.
it.
यहाँ पे सब
So,
कुछ यहाँ पे है.
वहाँ पे, हाँ, exactly.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
how do you think a person can actually, at a very practical level,
yeah,
whether it's professional managers,
yeah,
executives, engineers, accountants, or it could be students. Today students get projects to work on.
yeah.
Topic is the same given to say 20 students. Can I make it differently?
True.
It starts with the question.
Yeah.
So, for example, I got something for you, and this is something I want to create. I want to create. So,
Hmm.
one of the things that has helped me, and I can only speak for myself, is practicing small little creative things. For example, just doing this. I hope you can see, right?
Yeah.
And then, okay,
Yeah.
this, and then one more, just to give you an idea. I hope you can see what I'm
We
doing, right?
can. Yeah.
So I'm just using a normal pen,
Hmm.
though I can't wait for too long.
Hmm.
All right, and then something like this.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, this is just something I made right in front of you, not to show off anything, just to tell you that breaking the monotony of working, doing the same thing can become a barrier to thinking out of the box.
Hmm.
How can I be creative at my trainings? Is to try something that is creative, that is not necessarily to do with my trainings. I
True.
could do something which is different, which is not directly connected. Like I could do sketching. So this is a metaphor for art.
Hmm.
Art, painting. I request all my viewers that explore. In fact, like you said, question karo khud ko. मैं क्या कुछ कर सकता हूँ which is creative. Art
Yeah.
is one of the things. For example, if you don't mind me, djembe. So when I've been learning tabla. So when you look at djembe, so this is typically how I could play it this way.
Actually,
So
I
what I, sorry,
couldn't hear you.
you couldn't hear me?
No.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Maybe I had to hold it near the mic. So if I play it this way, you can't hear it?
No, you got to, yeah, come closer. This is okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So if it's this, you got that? But then you can also get this. Why I'm showing you this is, tabla aisa hai ki baat karne se nahi hota yaar. You got to play it, and the lesson is the same thing you can create different bowls, stance. So initially I played something Indian, फिर Western आ गया. So what is it? It's not that I'm telling our viewers to go and suddenly learn this, but music, percussions, guitar, they'll actually help you to also create अलग-अलग tunes. ये composers जो होते हैं ना, compose करते हैं. They're very creative because they have to create something new.
Yeah.
So when you read, my learning here that I'm sharing is whether it's sketching or playing an instrument, I think something that we do like that will also play a catalytic role in us becoming actually creative, which means the attitude to come up with ideas with the help of understanding the actual core issue.
Yeah, exactly. So, coming back to this point where I mentioned about, especially in your workplace and as students, especially in workplace, because nowadays, take a simple example of COVID, right? The whole world has thought out of the box, End of the day, at least most of them, of course, there are those technology challenges, companies which are not ready from a technology perspective. I'm sure they have had their challenges any day. But imagine big companies, organizations across the world who have had, lockdowns. Every department, every unit, every individual has come up with something, some or the other way of thinking, be it transport, be it, your online food delivery shops, to banks, to everyone, to educational institutions. I mean, the best classic example of out of the box thinking that I can imagine now is the teaching community, right? There are teachers who have never ever thought, their kids were used to WhatsApp and Facebook and all these online things, but they never ever imagined. Now they are teaching, online to the students. So that's something which is all about, right? Out of the box thinking. You've got to be questioning the present, challenging the present, and, you got to come together and accept the change. That's more important, that way.
Just to add a little value to your point, when you were saying all this and explaining all this, there's that statement that I'm always reminded of is necessity is the mother of all invention. Which is exactly what is happening in today's times. We are feeling the necessity to try something different. And today schools, for example, can't just be shut. So they're doing online. It isn't easy. There will be teething troubles, but this is a preparation probably for future, not as bad situations as we are facing now. But maybe, it could be another dimension in the way teaching is done online. Even I think you're probably more aware from the professional perspective in an organization. Earlier it used to be conference calls just because it was required, but today it's the norm because people can't go to office. So a lot of things, I think improvisation because of necessity is also connected to creative thinking or innovative thinking. So बहुत कुछ I think बदल रहा है because of situation, Santosh. And if our viewers, there are some who I know, not just the viewers, who don't feel that they need to be creative. जो चल रहा है वो चलने दो. But I want to say to all of them and to myself and to you that today we have to open up towards accepting the fact, fact that creative तो बनना ही है. कुछ करो, जुगाड़ करना ही है. तो ये जो है जुगाड़, ये is what I wanted to introduce to all my viewers.
Indians out of the box thinking is been, in the blood, and that's how it comes as जुगाड़, right?
So out of box thinking को एक शब्द है जुगाड़.
Yes, and 100% proved and experimented and implemented.
Absolutely, absolutely. So I just wanted to put this across to you and the viewers. So the जुगाड़ को मैंने एक acronym बनाया है. So if you see the J, it represents journey. What I mean by that is creativity need not be something where you have to come with a result. Sometimes the journey is important of processing some idea or coming up with some idea. हर एक time आप successful नहीं होगे, लेकिन enjoy the process as well. So make creativity a journey. Destination मिलेगा, आएगा, लेकिन journey भी enjoy करो. Then comes uniqueness. I bring this word because, being unique is not some cliched. Think out of the box. Try to be different. There's nothing. Think differently. कोई बोलेगा क्या अलग सोच रहा है, हीरो है क्या? हाँ हीरो हूँ, because आज की दुनिया में हीरो बनना जरूरी है with respect to being different.
Yeah.
So be unique. There's nothing wrong, you know. And if you're doing it with a good intention, it's good. Then comes growth. I'm connecting this because creativity, na Santosh, always will help us to grow. Because anything that is done with the intention of which is positive, हमको आगे लेके जाएगा, you know.
Agree.
और कभी fail भी होंगे तो try again, but it's always connected to growth.
Yeah.
Then comes ultimately, I would say, I mean, in that sense, the basic aspect is attitude.
Yeah.
When I say this, you know, I know again it's a cliched word, but for our viewers and us, it is a very, very important issue is having the right frame of thought, right attitude. Stressed आदमी creative बन नहीं सकता यार. गुस्से वाला आदमी क्रिएटिव नहीं बन सकता है. जो आदमी ऑलवेज सोचेगा कि नहीं होने वाला है, नहीं होने वाला है, क्रिएटिव क्या है, जो है वही नहीं. No, so change attitude, you'll automatically become more creative. Then comes, I'm missing, this is purposeful. This is determined. What I mean by that is don't lose hope while you're in the journey. If people tell you क्या कुछ हुआ ही नहीं, तू ट्राई करते बैठ, अरे no. And for another word for being determined is perseverance.
Yeah.
Don't give up.
Yeah.
You know, go ahead. Today, if you look at Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg, when he started, whenever you start something new, there will be people who will say something.
Of course, there will be challenges. Yeah.
There will be challenges, there'll be barriers, there'll be obstacles. And I think that's the right word, challenges honge. And I think this determination will help you eventually, you know, reach where you have aspired to reach.
Yeah.
Ye kya hai? This is what I'm requesting all our viewers to think. Any word, viewers, that comes to your mind that starts with the alphabet A and could be directly or indirectly connected to the subject of creative thinking, ideation, out of box, innovation. Kuch shabd hai which is coming to your head. A se kya hoga? Please feel free to write to us. And we would love to know what's in your mind, you know. So, and that's also a challenge to everybody's creative thinking. So,
true, absolutely. So you're going to write in your email, of course, our ID, which is talkwritetoday@gmail.com. That's talkwritetoday@gmail.com. Well, on that note, it's time for us to sign out. Hope you had enjoyed this episode, and it really brings on and adds on value to your out-of-the-box thinking plans in due course. So from me, Santosh and Mayur, thank you for joining in. Bye-bye.
Thank you, and jugaad karte bedo. Enjoy.
Bye-bye.